Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 41. I'm going to explain about class 7 verbs. Chapter 41 or bab 41. Class 7 verbs. These verbs contain the prefix mem and per and the suffix kan. They are formed from certain class 1 verbs, the roots of certain class 2 and class 3 verbs, and a few nouns and adjectives. Examples: for class 1, naik means to raise, to go up, to increase. Class 7, mempernaikkan, to raise. Class 2, lihat, melihat, memperlihatkan, to display, to manifest. Class 3, juang, berjuang, memperjuangkan, to fight for. Noun, isteri, wife, memperistrikan, to take someone as wife, or to take someone to become a wife. Adjective, besar, large, memperbesarkan, to enlarge. For class 1, naik, mempernaikkan is from the word menaikkan, to raise. Menaikkan, to raise, up, to make something to go up. Mempernaikkan, to go more upper. Hidup, hidup literally means life or live. Memperhidupkan, to revalidate or to renew license or permit something. But for license or permit, we don't use memperhidupkan. We use memperbaharui, from the word baharu, new, renew. Memperbaharui, menghidupkan, not memperhidupkan, menghidupkan. Menghidupkan like start engine, something like that. Lepas, memperlepaskan, to set something free. Class 2, jamu, serve, menjamu, memperjamukan, to feed sumptuously. Dengar, memperdengarkan, to make people listen. Lihat, memperlihatkan, to display, to manifest. Menyoal, mempersoalkan, to question. Menunjuk, mempertunjukkan, to demonstrate. Menghitung, another word is kira, memperhitungkan, to consider. Class 3, juang, memperjuangkan, to fight for. Giat, mempergiatkan, to activate. Dagang, memperdagangkan, to trade. Bincang, memperbincangkan, to discuss. Nouns, isteri, wife, memperistrikan, to take someone to become one's wife. Suami, husband, mempersuamikan, to take someone to become a husband. Hamba, slave, memperhambakan, to enslave. Budak, child, memperbudakkan, to treat someone as a child. Sembah, present, mempersembahkan, to present. Adjectives, besar, large, memperbesarkan, to enlarge. Kecil, small, memperkecilkan, to belittle. Cepat, quick, mempercepatkan, to speed up. Cantik, beautiful, mempercantikkan, to beautify. Elok, good, fine, memperelokkan, to improve. Hebat, grand, memperhebatkan, to intensify or to add vigorously. Examples in sentences. Kebanyakan ahli mempersoalkan keuntungan yang diperolehi tahun lepas. diperolehi from the word peroleh, memperoleh, to achieve. Another word is capai. Most of the members question the profits gained last year. Kesatuan akan memperjuangkan hak 3,000 orang pekerja kilang itu. The union will fight for the rights of 3,000 workers of that factory. Baginda telah membawa Nila Kesuma ke istananya lalu memperisterikannya. He, the king. Baginda we use for royalty, the king. He, the king, brought Nila Kesuma to his palace and married her. Beberapa badan berkanun telah ditubuhkan dengan tujuan untuk mempercepatkan projek-projek pembangunan negara. A number of statutory bodies were established with the objective of speeding up the country's development projects. The passive form. If the passive form is to be used, drop the prefix me and put d in its place. Examples: drama yang bertajuk Antony and Cleopatra dipersembahkan oleh pelajar-pelajar tingkatan 5. The drama entitled Antony and Cleopatra was presented by the Form 5 students. Lesen awak yang telah mati itu terpaksa diperbaharui semula. Your expired license has to be renewed. Banyak hasil negeri ini diperdagangkan ke negara asing. A lot of the products of this country are traded in foreign countries. Words to remember. Nouns: acara, program. Masyarakat, society. Baginda, he, for the ruler. Nasib, destiny. Belia, youth, for male. Pasukan, troop or team. Beliawanis, also used but for female. Usually we use only belia. Belia may refer to male or female youth. Pameran, exhibition. Firma, firm. Perayaan, celebration. Fitnah, slender. Perbarisan, parade. Hari Kebangsaan, National Day. Peserta, participant. Istana, palace. Rancangan, project or program. Kaum, community. Rugi, loss. Kebudayaan, culture. Tabik hormat, salute. Kemuncak, climax. Tarian, dance. Lapisan, class or strata. Tentera, military or army. Lesen, license. Lukisan, drawing. Verbs: bergerak means to move or to march in procession. Melintas, to march past. Lintas, pass. Adjective: asing, foreign. Menarik, interesting. Cergas, active. Raksasa, mammoth or gigantic. Kemas, neat. Sukarela, voluntary. Sukarelawan, volunteer. Adverbs: baru-baru ini, recently. Dengan sepenuhnya, fully. Dengan mudah, with ease. Sepanjang jalan, along the road. Perayaan Hari Kebangsaan, National Day Celebration. Para belia dan beliawanis dari berbilang kaum telah memperlihatkan atau mempersembahkan suatu perbarisan yang sungguh menarik di ibu negara Kuala Lumpur baru-baru ini. The youth from multiple strata or multiple race has present a march that is so interesting in the capital Kuala Lumpur recently. Mereka berarak bersama-sama dengan beberapa pasukan lain dalam acara kemuncak Perayaan Hari Kebangsaan. They marching together with another team in the peak program of National Day celebration. Perbarisan raksasa yang mengandungi 10,000 orang yang mewakili semua lapisan kaum dan masyarakat itu bermula dari Stadium Merdeka. The gigantic march, which consists 10,000 people who represent all the races and community, begin from Merdeka Stadium. Belia-belia yang berpakaian kemas berjalan cergas di sepanjang jalan yang telah ditetapkan. The youth who close knit march with feet along the road that has been set. Semasa melintas di hadapan Duli Yang Maha Mulia Seri Paduka Baginda Yang di-Pertuan Agong, mereka semua memberi tabik hormat kepada Baginda. During passing in front of the Yang di-Pertuan Agong, all of them give salute to him, the ruler. Perbarisan raksasa itu, that gigantic march, disertai juga oleh pasukan tentera, polis, kaki tangan kerajaan dan pasukan sukarelawan. That gigantic march also be participated by the army, police, government officers and the volunteers. Duli Yang Maha Mulia is the name or the title given by the Grand King, the ruler, the King of Malaysia. Seri Paduka Baginda also same. This is the photo of Perayaan Hari Kebangsaan, National Day celebration in Merdeka Square. Exercise. Latihan. 1. You must renew this license before you can drive again. Awak mesti memperbaharui lesen ini sebelum awak boleh memandu semula. 2. A cultural troupe from Jakarta will perform Indonesian dances tomorrow night. Suatu pasukan kebudayaan dari Jakarta akan mempersembahkan tarian-tarian Indonesia malam esok. 3. The firm will trade in various goods made from rubber. Firma itu akan memperdagangkan berjenis-jenis barang yang dibuat daripada getah. 4. Radio dan TV Malaysia will present the program once a week. Radio dan TV Malaysia akan menyiarkan rancangan itu seminggu sekali. 5. Don't belittle him. He can lift 100 kg with ease. Jangan memperkecilkan dia. Dia boleh mengangkat 100 kg dengan mudah. 6. The Municipal Council is beautifying our city for the National Day celebration. Majlis Perbandaran sedang mempercantikkan bandaraya kita untuk perayaan Hari Kebangsaan. 7. I cannot fully understand what was discussed. Saya tidak faham dengan sepenuhnya apa yang diperbincangkan. 8. He was angry because he was treated like a child. Dia marah kerana dia diperbudakkan. 9. Profit and loss should be considered before the project is launched. Untung dan rugi hendaklah diperhitungkan sebelum projek itu dilancarkan. 10. A wide range of computers and digital cameras were displayed at the exhibition. Pelbagai jenis komputer dan kamera digital dipertunjukkan di pameran itu. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.